John Tavares, the captain of the New York Islanders here.
See how lean it is?
Oh! You want me to show you how I chop them?
I don't know if that's a good idea.
Sizzling.
The difference you notice from the way you eat now to the way you used to eat, right?
Yeah.
Some lean cuts.
We cooked every night. We didn't go out to eat very much, and that's the way I was raised, is just home cooked food. And so now I really enjoy it. It's something me and Aaron like to do. So
Yeah. Beep bop boop.
probably me more than her, but she's got her baking.
Yeah,
so
she's got the cookies.
She-
Do the beep bop boop.
not a chance.
Oh, come on. Beep bop boop. When did you know that what you eat, how you fuel your body?
My first pro season, so my draft year.
Yeah.
But I still didn't really know what I need to fuel my body with. I thought I knew.
Oh! Whoa! Stop!
Immediately after a practice, a game, mix in a good clean, lean protein. They usually have a little bit more vegan options actually, compared to some of the whey proteins. Probiotics, fish oils, vitamin C as well, keep the immune system up. You want some?
Yeah, I'll take some.
Okay.
Soft hands.
This is where it comes into play.
We got it. That was a lean toss.
Don't fear the fat. I think that's what we're learning.
What are those? What are those?
Here we go.
Yeah.
So you can see I really like coconut, so.
Hey Johnny, what time is it?
Lean time.
Woo!